PONT Du GARD is a Roman architectural masterpiece of civil engineering, built in the 1st century AD. A 3-tier arched bridge was constructed over the river Garden. It was designed as an aqueduct to supply spring water to the Roman colony of Nîmes. The aqueduct bridge was built from Shelly limestone and is 161 feet high. This is thought to be the highest structure the Romans had ever built. The design of each bridge tier is different. The lower tier has 6 arches. The middle has 11, and the upper tier originally had 47 arches. It's hard to imagine. This magnificent ancient bridge was constructed without mortar, instead using friction and gravity to hold the blocks together. In the 18th century, the road bridge was added to the lower tier. A toll was levied to cross the river and pay for the new bridge. In 1840, PONT Du GARD was designated an historical monument by the French archaeologist and historian Prosper Mérimée. The aqueduct became an UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985 due to its historical importance, exceptional preservation, and architectural ingenuity. This amazing feat of Roman engineering has stood the test of time for more than 2,000 years. It has become one of the biggest tourist attractions in France today, with 1 million visitors each year, second only to the Eiffel Tower in Paris.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.